Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I have an issue with one of my 3D printers, and I've been trying to solve this issue for about a month now, and I've been talking to Anycubic for about a month, and they've been actually very responsive. So let me show you guys what the problem is. Um, so initially I was getting hot and abnormal. So the first thing to do was to change the hot end. So this was the old one, and this is brand new. This has not even been turned on or anything. It's still brand new. There's nothing on it. It's still fresh, right out of the box, brand new. Put it in. Figured that will fix the problem. It didn't fix the problem. Then I said maybe it's the distribution board. So this is the old distribution board. Replaced the old distribution board and got a new one. So I have a new distribution board, hoping it will fix it. It didn't fix it. And then we moved on to the motherboard. This is the old motherboard, and I put in the new motherboard, and this is what we get. Turned on. We're gonna go to prep. Oh, wrong one. Sorry. We're gonna do prep, preheat PLA, hot end NTC abnormal. Please check it, and wiring. And you can't press any, you have to turn it on. So now, I'm thinking the wire might be bad, but I did do a connectivity test on the wire itself. So all the ports, everything match up, but this one's a little beaten up, so I don't know. So I'm putting this video to see if you guys had the same issue and what the next step is. I mean, almost everything's on this brand new except the wire, so I don't know what else could be the issue. If you know what it could be, please leave a comments down below. Let me know what it is. I'm trying to get this thing started back up so I could start printing again, but it's been sitting as a dead brick for like the past month or so. Now I also have the Anycubic Chiron, and this thing has been freaking awesome. Okay, I've had this for about 3 years now, and this thing's still printing just fine. The only issue is with this one is that I mean, what happens is this part, for some reason, the stepper, this doesn't work. So as soon as it hits the limiter switch, this thing just keeps hitting this, and it keeps skipping and keeps skipping until it stops, and it just adjusts itself, and and I'm ready to print. But one thing I got to show you guys, this is the original plate. I've only cleaned it with alcohol, and that's it. And this thing still it has a good adhesion. I haven't had an issue with it. But again, this is about three or 4 years old, and I've put many prints through this thing, many prints. And having it as the direct drive works great, and I'm probably going to do the same thing. I already have the direct drive thing printed right here, but I want to get this going first. So Anycubic, if you know what the problem is, please let me know.